Tool tutorial. So the first thing, you want to click on the pen tool or use the letter P. I like to start in the bottom corner here and zoom in, holding down spacebar to get the hand tool. And I go as far as I can, that's a straight line. Then from here, I need to pull a Bezier handle, and then I bring down that curve halfway through. I've tried to do it all in one, which is possible, but not quite as accurate. So now I'm holding down the Command key on a Mac or Control key on a PC. And when I hold down the Command Control key this way, I end up with that seesaw action, which I don't want. I want to turn this Bezier handle like the hand of a clock. So I'm holding down Option or Alt. Then I come down here and bring that Bezier curve down. Now I'm holding down Command Control to adjust. And I get those perfect. And now I need to convert not the handle, but the anchor point by holding down Alt or Option and clicking right on that square anchor point. So now I have a straight line next. And I'm clicking, just connecting the lines here with just anchor points, kind of like when we made the square. And I'm going up and around this easel. This part's really easy. And sometimes I feel like people go too crazy with too many straight anchor points. Don't forget that this is a three-dimensional canvas, so I've got to get that little angle there. And notice how zoomed in I am. That's so I can see that this is lining up perfectly. If you're too far zoomed out, you won't be able to tell. And now I've got this cannonball to go over. So I do a straight point, but now I pull out a Bezier handle and then bring the other side of that down. Now I need to convert by holding down Alt or Option. And then the last thing and most important is that I get that little circle to completely close that path. An open path just won't work. And now I click off that path so that I clicked off of it and then back on, so that I can now add a separate closed path, but on the same layer. That little piece right there, which I almost forgot. And I like to click off and on again. It actually allows me to then right click and make a selection of both pieces. And notice that I now have the marching ants. So I right clicked on that layer and I have marching ants. And now I'm going to, you can't see it, but I'm going up in the menus and I'm under select inverse. And see this outline around the outside? That's how you know I have the inverse. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. And I'm really selecting the outer wall now so that then I can go to, I'm renaming it just so that I can move it around. And I'm going to bring the other picture in. Oops, I dropped it. Let me go back. Bring the icon from the other picture into this picture. Now I'm going to change the layer order. And then I want to make sure to be on the first picture, add a layer mask, and you can see it in black right on layer 0. Now I'm using the Move tool to adjust it, and I am done. Just save as a JPEG and turn it in.